I remember when, 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 I remember when. Remember all the days when I was bummy. Wealth is so much more than money. Wasting my time in fast food lines. Didn't realize time was a part of the grind. Yeah, big part of preparing my mind. Felt the future something new from my whole bloodline. Then student dream came to UPC. Said there was something different about me. Yeah, said I had gifts, passions, and skills. You know those basic principles of wealth. Yeah, elevate yourself from everyone else. Just build your wealth.
How to move in silence, tryna live stress-free, living at my highest. Yeah, it's more about the money, who you got beside you. Needed abundance of resources, gain alliance. Look, get in tune, your mind is going better, make a move. Think about the bread, but what you gonna do? Doing anything to Christ, I know I can't lose. I'm just gonna keep my head up and living proof. Look, yeah, we on our own, but we gon' make it on. Look, family or not, know the love is strong. Take the risk, take the L, then we moving on. It only gets better while we living on.
Elevate yourself from everyone else. Just build your wealth. Now I got goals, visions, and purpose. Tracking weekly earnings, giving and purchases. Elevate yourself from everyone else. Just build your wealth. Now I got goals, visions, and purpose. Tracking weekly earnings, giving and purchases.